Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video that I haven't done in a very long time, and that is an unboxing video. The last unboxing video I did was the FabFitFun video like last winter, like very long time ago. I used to do all the Ipsy unboxings, but then our dollar kind of went to crap, so it became like more expensive than it was worth for me to order them in every month. But I do love unboxing videos. I love watching them. I love subscription boxes. So does my mom. It's kind of like getting Christmas in the mail. I love getting the regular snail mail. I love getting packages. So signing up for a subscription box is something that's really fun for me because you never know what you're gonna get. It's always a surprise, which is super fun. So when FabFitFun asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing of their summer box, I was like, totally. I love subscription boxes, and I know a lot of you do too, and I know a lot of people don't like it. So if you don't like unboxing videos, I totally understand. You don't have to watch this, but I teamed up with FabFitFun to show you their summer box. So let's just get into the FabFitFun life and see what it's all about. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It's not a month-to-month subscription, so you get 4 boxes per year. They're $50, but they say that the value of the box is always over $200, which is really nice. The last box that I did, like last year, I got a blue umbrella. I don't know if you guys watched my Montreal vlog. If you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, you should. I will link it down below. I still use that blue umbrella. I love it. It says rain, rain, go away. It's one of my favorite little things that I got out of that box. They're definitely products that you can still continue to use. It's not like a one-use thing, which is really nice. It kind of makes it more worth your money. I also have a code that gets you $10 off your first box, which is really nice. It's not an affiliate code. It's totally just a discount for you guys to use if you wanted to test out the FabFitFun. Yeah, let's just open it up. This is the box here. I already showed it, but super cute little packaging. It says summer on it. Very nice. I'm gonna try opening it here. Maybe I should not do that while holding it up. Ah! This is the inside of the box. It says sandy toes and salty kisses. So cute. And then it has a little info booklet that talks about all of the products you get in here. And apparently all of the products are full size. They don't do any sample sizes, which I love because personally, I don't like getting sample sizes. If I'm gonna try out a product, I wanna have it long enough that I can test it out, you know? So let's see what we got in here. So the first thing is this FabFitFun Everyday Beach Waves Conditioning Texture and Light Hold Spray. You apply it to wet or dry hair and it provides everyday beach waves, gives hair a light hold and wavy texture while conditioning and protecting with meadow foam seed oil. Nice little tube of fun there. That looks great. This is a summer and rose microfiber yoga towel. That's really cute. I actually use a yoga towel in my gym bag for when I go swimming. I use it because it dries really quickly, but it still absorbs nicely. I don't actually do yoga, but I always throw one of these in my gym bag, and I actually got mine at Winners. I absolutely love these colors. This is such a nice peachy, fun, summery color. What does it say on here? Dream big. I'm not really into like word prints like that, but this is a really nice feeling towel. It feels nice and sturdy, like something I would like to have in my gym bag. Or I guess for its purpose, doing yoga if you're into that kind of thing. I am not. So then there's this Stimulation Daily Micro Derm Scrub for face and body. I'm always weary of products that are meant for your face and your body because I feel like the skin on your face is so much more sensitive than the body. So if a product is good for the body, I'll usually keep it for the body and won't use it on my face. But it has water, aloe juice, earth, whatever that is, green tea, grapeseed extract, grapefruit peel oil, just a lot of nice things. There's no harsh ingredients. This actually looks like nice ingredients. So I like it when a product has ingredients that I can read and understand, so that's nice. This is a derm scrub, and I will be popping this into my shower and using it to scrub-a-lub-a-dub all the bad things off of my body. So we have this OC, is it O'Shea? O'Shea or OC. You can never assume what it is because I actually just have no idea, but it's an atmosphere protection cream, and it says it's a natural lightweight daily moisturizer, so creates a protective barrier on your skin, used day and night, ideal base for sunscreen and makeup. So it's a skin base, it's not actually a sunscreen, so maybe it's like a primer type of thing. Wada, macadamia seed oil, olive oil, or corn and coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, just like a whole lot of good things. So maybe it's a face primer. I don't really know what atmosphere protection cream is. Maybe I'll consult the booklet that it came with. I see. Okay, so it's a lightweight moisturizer, protects skin from dehydration and damage. It has a matte, silky finish, so it might not be good for me because matte things typically tend to dry me out. But it had a lot of oils in it, so I might have to test it out. It's kind of just like a makeup primer, so that's cool. So then we have a Gyp Setter Luminous Lips Flower Child Lip Gloss. It smells minty, so that's nice. If it smells like mint, usually it's going to be like pretty hydrating. And it's quite a sheer lip gloss as well. So that's a really nice light pink minty gloss. Then we have something that's really cute. It's the Betch Sickles. What up, Betch? They are ice pop molds, aka popsicle molds. I don't know what the shape they are. What's the shape? These are little popsicle molds. That's so cute. And then it comes with the little sticks to put in them, and you can make popsicles. That's really cute. I just love the name, Betchsicles. The last thing in the bag is this really nice beach tote. It's very, very sturdy. What does it say on here? Sunshine and salt water. Again, with the cheesy phrases, I'm not really into it. This is actually very, very sturdy. It's like a canvas material, and then it has an actual rope for handles. So that's actually so nice. So big. You could definitely fit like a picnic and a beach towel and all your necessities in there. But unfortunately, I don't live near a beach, so maybe I'll bring this with me to Europe when I hopefully go to a couple beaches. But in the meantime, I'm in Calgary and we don't have a beach, so maybe those of you who live near water, lakes, the ocean, whatever, you'd benefit more from this. And then the rest of the items in the box are just a bunch of like coupons that you can save, but I think that these are mainly geared toward those in the States. Like this particular one is for Walgreens only. We don't have Walgreens in Canada, so I can't even think of using that. I don't even think we have Compeed, those like blister packs. People in the UK always talk about those. Oh yeah, there we go. It says only at Walgreens as well. So in the little booklet, it also lists how much each of the products are worth and then the total. So the total retail value of this box is $228. So you're paying $50 for that amount of moolah value. It's definitely worth your money if you're gonna buy these things anyway. The Beach Wave spray is $18. Popsicle molds retail for $20. I think that's just the particular brand that it is. Definitely wouldn't ever spend $20 on popsicle molds, but the yoga towel is $36. I know those yoga towels at Lululemon are expensive as hell, you know what I'm saying. The Microderm scrub is $34. The lip gloss is $18. This protection cream is $48, so I'm definitely gonna have to look into more of how this is used. And this Trina Turk canvas tote is $55. And yeah, then the total is $228. So that is the box. Those are all the items. Those are all the prices of the products in there. I will link all the stuff that goes with it in the description box, my discount code, and then all of the products and their prices and maybe where to find them otherwise if you guys want to look more into it. Like I said before, I'm a huge fan of subscription boxes, and I have received the FabFitFun one before and I really loved what was in it. Like I said, I had an umbrella. It had one of the like battery packs in it. So you get totally different stuff per season and you're like quadrupling your value for money. So if you guys like a little bit of a treat in the mail every season, then I definitely recommend getting something like this. It's like Christmas on your doorstep. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know any other videos that you'd like to be seeing from me, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!